Welcome to TCI's Decision Lender 4 training series. This tutorial will show the dealer user how to use the attachment functionality within an application. The attachment functionality will provide the user with the ability to view, attach, or delete documents within an application. How to view attachments. To begin, log into Decision Lender. You are brought to the main dashboard screen. Click on the Work Queue tab. Click on the My Apps tab. This will display a list of applications within the work queue. Click on the application number you would like to view. This will bring you to the Decision Summary page. Click on the Review tab. You will be brought to the Attachment subtab, and the Attached Documents page will open. All documents previously attached to this application will appear. The user may view more records, if available, by choosing the number from the drop-down list. The user will see the name of the attachments as well as the description. The date and time the document was attached will also be displayed. The user may view or delete the attachment. To view the attachment, click on the magnifying glass. The attached document will be displayed. To search for a document, you may enter criteria in the search field. As you type characters in this field, the attached document selection will narrow down. How to delete an attachment. To delete an attachment that may contain incorrect information, click the trash can icon. A message will appear asking if the user is sure they would like to delete the attachment. Click the Confirm button to delete the message, or exit without deleting by clicking Cancel. For this example, we will choose Confirm. When the attachment is successfully deleted, a confirmation message will appear. How to add an attachment. To add an attachment, click the plus symbol. This will open the new attachment page. Enter the name of your document. Make your selection from the list provided in the category field. For this example, we will choose Stipulation Attachment. Enter a description of the document you wish to attach. Since we chose stipulation from our category selection, we may now select the appropriate stipulation for which the attachment is satisfying. Click the Choose File button to search for the document. Find the file and click Open. Click the Save button. The document is now attached. A confirmation message will appear. To attach additional documents, click on the plus symbol again and enter the required fields. Click the Save button after each entry. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, please contact your lender. Thank you for choosing TCI's Decision Lender.